Augustine and Immanuel Kant have ideas that relate to my life. Socrates teaches me that I should know myself and always keep learning. I know that I still have many things to improve, so I try to learn from my experiences and mistakes. Saint Augustine teaches me that no one is perfect. Even if I fail or make wrong choices, I can change, grow, and become a better person. Immanuel Kant teaches me to do the right thing because it is the right to do, not because I want a reward or because I am afraid of being punished. Their ideas remind me to be honest, kind, responsible, and always do my best. I believe that by following these values, I can become a better person every day. The first philosopher, si Socrates, ay nagtuturo na mahalagang kilalanin ang sarili. Naniniwala ako na mayroon akong mga strength at weaknesses at hanggang ngayon ay patuloy ko pa rin din-discover kung sino talaga ako. Sinusubukan kong matuto sa mga pagkakamali ko para maging mas mabuting tao araw-araw. Ang kaniyang mga ideas ay nagpapadala sa akin na laging magtanong, mag-isip ng mabuti at huwag tumigil sa pagkatuto. Second philosopher, si Saint Augustine naman ay nagtuturo na hindi perpekto ang tao at normal lang na magkamali. Nakaka-relate ako rito dahil minsan nakagawa rin ako ng maling desisyon. Pero sa halip na sumuko, sinubukan kong matuto mula sa aking mga experience at improve ang aking sarili. Ang kanyang mga teachings ay nagpapaalala sa akin na magkaroon ng faith, maging thankful sa mga blessings at laging magkaroon ng hope para sa mga magandang future. And last philosopher, si Immanuel Kant, ay nagtuturo na dapat lagi tayong gawin ang tama kahit walang nakakita. Sinubukan kong maging honest, respectful at responsible sa school, sa bahay at sa mga kaibigan ko. Naniniwala ako na ang paggawa ng tama ay nagpapakita ng good character at nakakuha nito ang tiwala at respeto ng ibang tao. Para sa akin, mahalagang gawin ang mga hindi dahil may kapalit na reward o dahil takot ako maparusahan, kundi dahil alam kong iyon ang tamang gawin. Sa ganitong paraan, unti-unti akong nagiging mas mabuting tao sa araw-araw. These three philosophers inspire me to become a better person. They teach me to know myself, learn from my mistake, and always choose what is right. Their ideas help me become more responsible, kind, and confident. I know I am not perfect, but I will continue to learn, grow, and do my best every day. In the end, I believe that the teachings of Socrates, Saint Augustine, and Immanuel Kant are not only ideas from history, they are lessons that I can use in my everyday life. By knowing myself, learning from my mistake, having faith, and always choosing to do what is right, I can continue to grow into a better person and make positive difference in the lives of others. That's all. Thank you.